Hey there, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show a really simple way how you can create a collection in Steam. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just go to library, and when you're in your library you just right click to it, to your game, and add to new collection. And now enter the name of the collection. Let's go CSGO, create a collection, and this is how you got a collection. And you can also remove it from the collection if you want to, but this is how we do it. So thank you everybody. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance, some support. But yeah, goodbye.